What's going on, everybody? It's been a while, but welcome back to the channel. Just been really busy with work, so finally have a chance to get out on the water and do a video. Just gonna fish a pond that I found in York region. Doesn't look like much, but I've seen the movements in the water, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Stay tuned, everybody. I'm gonna use a float setup. I'm gonna get started. Oh, I had a hit. Fish. First fish in a month. What is it? Junk concealing what do we get here? Looks like a pumpkin seed or maybe a hybrid of some kind. Pretty nice looking one too. Not big, but I haven't caught a fish in a month, so I'll take it. Yeah, sometimes these retention ponds, you know, I feel like they hold fish. And I was right, there's another hit. There's another hit. Second fish of the day. Tossed it to a different spot and we got a bluegill. All right. Bluegill. So pumpkin seed there, bluegill over here. That's two species. That's more species than I thought this place would hold. This little nothing looking retention pond. Cool. Oh, there it goes. When you get to a location you're not familiar with, you just want to cover ground. Do some fan casting. Fan casting. Do, 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 do. Oh, got a hit. Got a hit. That looked like a different type of bite. Maybe a different fish. Here, fishy, fishy. Please come back. Yeah, that's it. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a fish. Different species? Nope. Bluegill, but a nice one. Nice bluegill. Nice bluegill. Very nice. There it goes. That's a hit, I think. Yep. Fourth fish of the day. Lots of little gills in this pond. Now be warned, if you're thinking about fishing these locations, make sure you don't consume the fish, because retention ponds is where all the yucky stuff from your households, you know, like this, your driveway wash off and your backyard, the chemicals, the fertilizers, whatever you use, gets washed into these places before it enters the water system. So you don't really want to eat fish from here. It's going to have a lot of contaminants. Look at that close up. Whoa. Fish. That's the best one today. Bluegill. Small pond, but very beefy. Fifth fish of the day. It's a good one. Small but chunky. Fish. Bluegills, so many. Biggest of the day. That is the big daddy of this little pond. Aggressive boy. Wow. Again, not long, but look at the shoulders and belly on this one. Nice specimen. Bye-bye. Today I came out onto retention pond to see what lurks in this retention pond, and caught a lot of fish, but it's pumpkin seeds and bluegills, nothing big. But I suspect there's other types of fish here, just judging by the size of this body of water. Anyways, I'm running out of time today, and I have to get going. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I hope to bring you more stuff in the not too distant future. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.